Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about an
Heisr.
electric toothbrush. This is a really impressive product with several advanced features. The most unique thing about this toothbrush is that it can brush three sides at the same time, which significantly reduces brushing time and claims to remove up to 99.9% of germs. First, let's quickly explain the difference between a normal toothbrush and this electric toothbrush. For example, if I take a model tooth and a regular toothbrush that we use daily, the main limitation is that a normal toothbrush can only brush side to side and up and down. Brushing the outer surface of the teeth is relatively easy, but when it comes to brushing the upper side or the inner side of the teeth, it becomes quite difficult. Because of the jaw structure, it is often hard to reach the gums properly, and many times the base of the teeth is not cleaned thoroughly. As you can see, brushing the upper and inner sides with a regular toothbrush is quite challenging. I am using a model toothpick here just to demonstrate how uncomfortable and difficult this process can be. This shows how much effort is required during regular brushing. Now, on the other hand, the electric toothbrush we are reviewing today can clean three sides simultaneously in a single position. It works through vibration and rotation, which not only reduces brushing time, but also improves overall brushing quality. So, let's start with the unboxing to see what comes inside the box. Inside the box, first we have the main toothbrush unit. On the front, some key features are mentioned, such as sonic and mechanical vibration, a three-sided fully wrapped design, 180-degree rotation, and 30-degree angled bristles. These features are designed to make brushing more effective, allowing the brush to reach every corner of the teeth while taking less time. On the back of the box, the same features are explained in more detail. A three-sided fully wrapped design, both sonic and mechanical vibration, angled bristle design, and rotating brush heads. After opening the box, the first thing we get is a user manual. My unit came with a Chinese manual, but you will receive it in English. Next, we get the charging case, which is made of plastic and features a beautiful transparent cover that provides good visibility. Then we have the main brush handle, and along with it, there are two small boxes. Inside these boxes are the brush heads. Let's open one of them. The brush head is wrapped in a plastic cover, which we remove. As you can see, the brush head has bristles on three sides, two on the sides and one at the bottom, so it can clean all three surfaces at once. The brush head is also rotatable up to 180 degrees, which makes brushing much easier. The second brush head is exactly the same in design and color. Both brush heads are identical and come with protective plastic covers that you can use after brushing to keep them clean. At the bottom of the box, we also get a USB charging cable. One end is USB-A, and the other end is magnetic, which connects to the charging base. Let's see how it connects. On the back of the charging base, there are two small contact points, and once you place the cable correctly, it attaches magnetically with a strong pull. One important thing to note is that it only connects in the correct orientation. If you try to attach it upside down, it will not connect. Now, let's attach the brush head to the handle. Simply align it and press gently, and it will snap into place. On the handle, there are two buttons. One is the power button, and the other is the mode change button. There are three modes available: clean, white, and massage. At the bottom, there is an LED indicator that shows the charging status. Press the power button once to turn it on. Pressing it again increases the intensity. Holding the power punto will turn the device off. There are three intensity levels: low, medium, and high, and you can switch between them easily. Using the mode button, you can switch from clean to white and then to massage. These are basic and straightforward controls, nothing complicated. Now, let's test it and see the real difference between this electric toothbrush and a normal toothbrush. With a regular toothbrush, as we discussed earlier, you have to manually change positions multiple times to clean different sides of the teeth. But with this electric toothbrush, once you place it on your teeth, it automatically rotates and covers all areas evenly. You don't need to change positions frequently. Just slide it gently from one side to the other. It cleans the left side, right side, and top side simultaneously. Another major problem with normal toothbrushes is that you have to clean the upper teeth and inner teeth separately, which can be very difficult. Reaching the exact pressure and location inside the mouth is often uncomfortable. As you can see, Inserting and pressing a regular toothbrush inside requires a lot of effort. On the other hand, with this electric toothbrush, the process is extremely smooth. It moves easily from one side to another without any hassle. Another interesting point is the slim brush head design. Unlike regular toothbrushes that feel bulky, this electric brush head is thinner and more flexible, making it much easier to clean the inner sides of the teeth.
We applied some coffee powder to our model teeth, and now we're going to check whether our electric brush can clean it or not. As you can see, from the very first use it cleans really well. That's honestly very impressive. After brushing for a little longer, you can now see the condition of the teeth. The slight stains that remain can be easily removed just by rinsing with water, just like we normally do after regular brushing.
Now let's do a live test. I apply a small amount of toothpaste to the brush head and turn it on. As you can see, the operation is very simple. I just place it on one side, and with a gentle push, it automatically moves across and cleans the teeth smoothly. No extra effort is needed. Cleaning the lower teeth is usually easy even with a normal toothbrush, but cleaning the upper teeth is where most people struggle. With this electric toothbrush, cleaning the upper teeth becomes very easy. It doesn't get stuck, doesn't put pressure on the jaw, and works smoothly. I simply slide it, and it does its job perfectly. You can connect it to any USB adapter and place the brush on the charging holder. As you can see, a green light starts blinking, which means the device is charging. The charging time is quite short, and the battery backup is excellent. With a single full charge, you can use it for many days. Overall, this is a very convenient, time-saving, and effective electric toothbrush that makes daily brushing much easier while delivering better cleaning results.
So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you would like the video, feel free to check the description box below to get this awesome gadget and subscribe to our channel for more latest cool review.